Owning a car is a great feeling. There is a sense of achievement when you buy your first vehicle, be it new or used. Other than tires, the other thing that needs to be monitored and replaced every few years is your battery. Battery maintenance is essential. Without a functional battery, you'll be left stranded with a car that won't start. But even worse, one of the most dangerous things when it comes to a battery is corrosion. Corrosion can lead to sparks or even blowing up your battery. Thus, when a battery is corroded, you'd most likely need to replace your terminals as well. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best battery terminal. So let's get started. Number 5. InstallGear battery terminals. InstallGear's battery terminals are compatible with 2, 4, 8, and 10 gauges, and even include both battery terminal sets for your convenience. Adjustable spacer shims. The nickel-constructed body here doesn't perform as well as the military-grade lead, but the gold screws are highly conductive for the best performance. The adjustable spacer shims allow for easy installation and connection. The spacers also allow the terminals to be compatible with different cable sizes for ease of use and a quick fit. Easy and secure fitting. The positive and negative pole markings are large and easy to understand, and the units are tapered to fit comfortably and securely. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. Shoreline Marine battery terminals. Shoreline markets these for people who love the open water. We all know steel, electricity, and water aren't the best when mixed together, and Shoreline knows this too. Made for boats but perfect for cars too. Shoreline's marine battery terminals are specially made for boats and work like a charm. The terminals are made of solid lead, instead of plated metal like most. Batteries contain acids that easily rust metal, thus, a solid hunk of lead proves to be a much better option. Rubberized wing nuts. The terminals are easy to install. The wing nuts are rubberized so you don't shock yourself and can even be screwed on by hand. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. Cllena Military-Style Battery Terminal Connectors Kit. Military-style battery terminals are all the craze, and for good reason, since they are versatile and very durable. These kits can be used on marine vehicles, RVs, trucks, and cars. You can use these for battery extensions, a ground connection, or any sort of parallel connection. Rust and corrosion resistant. Both terminals are included. They are lead alloy terminals, so they are rust and corrosion resistant. The kit provides you with everything you'd need, including both the terminals, a 5/16 short bolt, and a 3/8 bolt for mounting the lugs quickly. The lugs are 3/8 copper. Color-coded. The color-coded military battery terminals won't keep you guessing as to which is the positive and negative pole. The hardware needed to mount the terminals is also included for easy installation and worry-free ordering, plus minimal planning. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. ACDelco 3BA35 Professional Battery Cable Terminal. The ACDelco battery terminals are made of lead, although they seem softer than most other battery terminals. Let us explain. The terminals are covered, which makes installation easy. But the softer lead could lead to earlier corrosion and makes screwing it tight tricky, due to the flexible nature of the materials used. However, once you've got them screwed on, there are no problems, and they work just fine. These battery terminals are cheaper than most, and the quality corresponds with the price. Don't expect military-grade terminals at this price. If you are looking for a quick, temporary fix that installs easily and is color-coded, these will be perfect for you. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. MOTOPOWER MT69011 Battery Terminal. If you've been let down by lead connectors time and time again, it might be time to switch things up. Brass zinc alloy. These brass zinc alloy terminals are budget-friendly and highly conductive. Lead is usually used for its anti-corrosion ability, but the brass here provides excellent corrosion resistance, yet it is harder and more durable than lead. The terminals fit all 4 and 6-gauge wires at 12 volts. The best part about these is the quick release function. Once you've clamped these down onto your battery, removing them is as easy as holding down and lifting the terminals. It's safe and straightforward, with no tools required. The terminal covers are also color-coded for safe and easy use. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. That was our list of the top 10 best battery terminal just for you.